法院首席法官馬道立首席法官現已莅臨，請保持肅靜。
Ladies and gentlemen, all Scouts, our President, the Honorable Jeffrey Ma, Chief Justice of the Court of Final Appeal, has arrived. Please keep silent.
會長現在進場，請各嘉賓起立。
Ladies and gentlemen and Scouts,
現在恭請會長接受模範童軍優異女團步操隊伍同埋樂隊嘅敬禮。
now we have the honor to invite our President to receive the General Salute of the Scouts of the Year, the distinguished groups, the parade, and the Scouts Band. 請各位就座。Please be seated. 而家請會長移步到台前，白膠板地頒發模範童軍證書，並請香港總監陪同。The President will now present the certificates to the Scouts of the Year. Accompanying him is the Chief Commissioner. 模範童軍獎勵係嘉許無論喺童軍學業或者係工作、社區服務同埋同家人關係各方面都有優異表現嘅童軍成員。2015年度一共有3位童軍獲得呢個榮譽。Scouts of the Year is awarded to outstanding Scouts in recognition of their outstanding performance in study or work, serving the community, relationship with family, and the Scouts movement. In the year 2015, 3 Scouts have been selected as Scouts of the Year. 佢哋係大埔北第17旅童軍尹曉南、九龍第17旅深資童軍鄭志健。新界東第1494旅樂行童軍公子山。多謝會長，請香港總監陪同會長就座。Thank you, President. Please be seated. 恭喜晒所有模範童軍。Congratulations to all the Scouts of the Year. 喺檢閱台前有一隊排列得非常整齊嘅隊伍。
佢哋係獲得本年度優異女團榮譽嘅女團。
At the front are recipients of the Distinguished Group Award for this year.
優異女團獎勵係嘉許過往一年有優異表現嘅女團。得獎嘅女團除咗會獲頒發優異女團彩帶之外，佢哋嘅成員亦可獲優異女團章。呢個章喺未來一年都可以佩戴喺制服上面。
The Distinguished Group Award is awarded to the outstanding Scout groups in recognition of their progress and performance in last year. All members of the distinguished groups may wear the Distinguished Group Award badge on their uniform in the coming year.
今屆優異女團獎勵計劃一共有979個女團獲得嘉許，分別係港島地域192個、九龍地域261個、東九龍地域101個、新界地域137個、新界東地域284個，同埋銀禧區4個。
This year, 979 groups have achieved this award, including 192 from the Hong Kong Island region, 261 from Kowloon region, 101 from East Kowloon region, 137 from New Territories region, 284 from New Territories East region, and 4 from Silver Jubilee District.
而家有請香港總監移步到台前發交板地，嘉許本年度嘅優異女團。
The Chief Commissioner is going to present the color ribbons to the representatives of the distinguished groups.
請香港總監將優異女團彩帶掛喺各個地域優異女團代表嘅旗杆上面，以示嘉許。首先係港島地域
Hong Kong Island region.
九龍地域
Kowloon region.
東九龍地域
East Kowloon region.
新界地域
New Territories region. 新界東地域 New Territories East region.
恭喜晒所有獲獎女團。
Congratulations to all the distinguished groups.
唔該晒總監，請吳總監就座。
Thank you, Chief Commissioner. Please be seated.
步操隊伍即將操過檢閱台，而家有請會長到台前接受各步操隊伍敬禮。
The President is going to take the salute from the march past.
請 54隊步操隊伍，每個隊伍都係經過地域選拔先至可以參加本年嘅大會操，部分隊伍更加係地域比賽嘅優勝者。
The parade is led by a color party comprising the headquarters colors and the ceremonial team of the association. This year, 24 sports from 5 regions form the parade, and some of them are the winners in the respective regional selection competitions.
首先係童軍總會旗隊。
The first team is the color party comprising the headquarters colors. Hong Kong Group.
新界東第1638隊。
1638 New Territories East Group.
東九龍第137隊，佢哋係今次步操比賽嘅亞軍。
137 East Kowloon Group, which are the first runner-up of the foothill competition.
元朗西第5隊，佢哋係今次步操比賽嘅季軍。
The 5th Yuen Long West Group, which are the second runner-up of the foothill competition.
東九龍第1585隊。
1585 East Kowloon Group.
九龍第29隊。
29 Kowloon Group.
荃灣第11隊。
11 Tsuen Wan Group.
屯門西第44隊。
44 Tsuen Wan West Group.
碧峰第35隊。
35 Big Boom Group.
港島第1隊。
The first Hong Kong Group.
港島第139隊。
139 Hong Kong Group.
港島第81隊。
81st Hong Kong Group.
大埔南第8隊。
大埔 South Group.
九龍第96隊。
96 Kowloon Group.
九龍第19隊。
19 Kowloon Group.
荃灣第14隊。
14 Tsuen Wan Group.
港島第221隊。
221st Hong Kong Group.
九龍第12隊。
12 Kowloon Group.
東九龍第1456隊。
1456 East Kowloon Group.
銀禧第1694隊。
1694 Silver Jubilee Group.
東九龍第27隊。
27 East Kowloon Group.
東九龍第10隊。
The 10th East Kowloon Group.
九龍第18隊，佢哋係今次步操比賽嘅冠軍。
The 18th Kowloon Group. They are the champion of the foothill competition.
新界第1059隊。
1059 New Territories Group.
多謝會長，請會長就座。
Thank you, President. Please be seated.